Namaste, Khushro Bidya, IJVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now today's topic is breastfeeding, BPT 6 SEM Pediatric. Breastfeeding is the feeding of the infant or young child with breast milk directly from female human breast via lactation, not from a baby bottle or other container. Lobe. Each mammary gland from lobe of the breast, which consists of a single major branch of alveoli and milk duct that end at the nipple probe. Areola, the dark area around the nipples, milk duct tube through which milk travels, alveoli cells, grapes like cluster of tissue that secrete milk. Nipple and areola enlarge and darken during pregnancy. Small bump on areola called Montgomery gland. Montgomery gland to soften the nipple, prepare the nipple for breastfeed. The milk ejection reflex, the prolactin reflex, long arrow, the nerve impulse from sucking go to the brain, short arrow, the pituitary gland release prolactin into the blood and breast. This causes the alveoli cell to secrete milk and swells the alveoli. The milk ejection reflects a long arrow nerve impulse from sucking to the brain, short arrow the pituitary gland release oxytocin into the bloodstream breast. This causes muscles around the alveoli in the breast to squeeze milk to the nipple. How breast milk is produced. The let down reflects how body respond to baby sucking. Infant suckling stimulate the nerve ending in the nipple and areola with signal. The pituitary gland is the brain in the brain to release two hormones, prolactin and oxytocin. How breast respond to baby sucking. Prolactin cause alveoli to take nutrient, protein, sugar from blood supply and turn them into breast milk. Oxytocin causes the cell around the alveoli to contract and eject milk down the milk duct. The passing of the milk down the duct is called the let down milk ejection reflex. Let down is the experience in numerous ways, including infant being to actively suck and swallow. Milk may drip from the opposite breast. Mother may feel a tingling or full sensation after the first week of nursing in breast or uterine cramping. May feel crusty. 10 steps to successful breastfeeding. Number first, have a written breastfeeding policy that is routinely communicated to all healthcare staff. Number second, train all the healthcare staff in skill necessary to implement the policy. This policy. Number three, inform all pregnant women about the benefit and management of the breastfeeding. Number four, help mother initiate breastfeeding within half an hour of half an hour of birth. Number five, show mother how to breastfeed and how to maintain lactation even if they should be separated from their infant. Number six, give newborn infant no food or drink other than breast milk unless medically indicated. Number seven, practicing rooming in that is allow mother and infant to remain together 24 hours a day. Encourage breastfeeding on demand. Give no artificial teat or pacifier, also called dummies or soothers, to breastfeeding infant. Foster the establishment of breastfeeding support group and refer mother to them on discharge from the hospital or clinic. Breast milk contain protein. Human milk contain two type of protein, whey and casein. Approximately 60% is whey and while 40% is casein. Lactoferrin inhibited the growth of iron-dependent bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. Secretary IgA also work to protect in infant from viruses and bacteria, especially those that the baby, mom, and family are exposed to. It also helps to protect against E. coli and possibly allergic other immunoglobulins, including IgG and IgM. Breast milk also help protect against bacterial and viral infection. Lysozyme is an enzyme that protects the infant against E. coli and Salmonella. It also promotes the growth of healthy intestinal flora and has anti-inflammatory function. Bifidus factor supported the growth of lactobacillus that protect the baby against harmful bacteria by certain in acidic environment where it cannot be survive. Fat, it is necessary for brain development, absorption of fat soluble vitamin, and its primary calorie sources. Long chain fatty acids are needed for brain retain and nervous system development. They are deposited in the brain during the last trimester of pregnancy and all are also found in breast milk. Vitamin, the amount and type of vitamin is breast milk is directly related to the mother vitamin intake. Fat soluble vitamin including vitamin A, D, E and K are all vital to infant health. Water soluble vitamins such as vitamin C, riboflavin, niacin and pantothenic and acid are also essential. Carbohydrate, lactose, the primary carbohydrate found in human milk. Lactose helps to decrease the amount of unhealthy bacteria in the stomach, which improve the absorption of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. It helps to fight disease and promote the growth of healthy bacteria in the stomach. Benefit of breastfeeding to mother. Number first, the promote mother and child bonding. It prevent uterine bleeding in the mother after delivery. This is a natural form of family planning. This reduces the risk of breast and ovarian cancer in the mother. The save time and precious expenses need not to be used for buying milk powder and the healthcare. Benefit breastfeeding for baby. They provide the best possible nutrition of the young child. It reduces the incidence of cough and cold, ear infection, bronchitis, pneumonia, and meningitis and diarrhea through in protective factor. It protects the child from coil, asthma, angina, nose, and food allergic. It is essential for the optimal physical, emotional, and mental development of the child. Breastfeed child are also smarter. How long to breastfeed? Newborn, newborn can nurse for 5 to 10 minutes breastfeed every 2 to 3 hours. This comes to about 10 to 20 feeding per day in the beginning. This is only colostrum and they are not very much of it. So baby ready to feed open but the shorter duration. 1 month or more, the baby get older, the stomach will get larger. He will nurse less frequently but for a longer duration at the each feeding session. For example, they may nurse 20 to 40 minutes per breast every 3 to 4 hours. By 6 months, baby may breastfeed for 20 to 40 minutes per breast 3 to 5 per day. Contraindication to breastfeeding: active untreated TB, mom take radioactive compound, cancer of gamma, mom take illegal drugs, HIV infection. The proper way to breastfeeding: stimulate the baby mouth to open by the touching the nipple. Let the baby open the mouth wider. Bring the baby near to the breast. Latch the baby to the breast. Proper latch on. Baby open the mouth wider. Chin touching the breast. Cheek look gluten. Lips are flanged out. The breast look full and around. Can hear the sound suck and swallow. The nipple look long and round after breastfeed. Positioning of weight means sideline positioning, football hold positioning, cradle hold positioning, cross cradle hold position, saddle hold, twin football hold. Sign that the baby is getting enough breast milk. He is contented for 1 to 2 hours after feed. He pass clear diluted urine 5 to 6 times a day. He passed bright yellow water stool 6 to 8 times a day. He regained birth weight after 2 weeks. Breast milk supply can be increased by frequently feed day and night, allowing ultimate breastfeeding to satisfy baby sucking need. Mother to eat and drink sufficient quantities to satisfy baby sucking her hunger and thirst. Culture food like in Gainer and rice wine are compatible with breastfeeding. Breast milk strong unless being used immediately. Refrigerated it within 12 hours. Then warm the milk in container of lukewarm water or running water. Once milk is swallowed, it short it should be base it should be used within 24 hours. Once milk is warm and not used to be for the feeding, it should be discarded. Complication: breast pain, pitting, too much milk, mastitis, breast abscess, breast engorgement, sore nipple, sore with cracked nipple. The cause of sore and cracked nipple, including improper latching on by the baby, thrust, dry skin, dermatitis by biting. Thank you.